Now let's create the eyebrows of our emoji. We are going to use the arc tool. Now go to your toolbar and click here, choose the arc tool, then click in your artboard. In the pop-up window, put 9 pixels. In the x-axis and in the y-axis, put also 9 pixels, and keep the other settings are as they are, then click OK. Now we've created a small shape. We need to add a stroke, so select the stroke and go to the swatches and select the yellow color. Now zoom in to see the stroke better. Now what we need to do is to go and look for the stroke palette. Here I have the stroke palette. If you can't find it, go to Window, look for the S letter to make it easier to find the stroke palette. So you can see that I have a check mark in my stroke palette. Now in the stroke palette, put in the weight 4 pixels. Let me select the shape. It is selected. 4 pixels, and in the cup, choose round cup. So here we've added the weight and we've made the cup rounded. What we need to do now is to rotate the shape to look like an eyebrow. So go to Object, then Transform, then click Rotate. In the angle, type 225, then hit OK. Now let's zoom out. Actually, we need to put the black color here. So go to our swatches and select the black color. Now move the eyebrow and place it on top of the eye. I think that position is fine. Let me see the original. Work. I think that place is good. That should be fine. So now what we need to do is to create a copy of that eyebrow. Select first the shape using the selection tool. Then choose the reflection tool from here. Then click on Alt and hold. Then position that plus sign here in the top anchor point or the middle of the yellow circle. Then click with your mouse. In the reflect window, select vertical then click copy. So in this way we've created our wow Facebook emoji. So that's all for that section. See you in the next section.